The workshop provides the opportunity to practice being questioned, and it's quite confronting, or it can be quite confronting to a senior member of a business that's never been questioned before, doesn't have a conscience person in the business that is focused on making sure they get all the information to get the right decisions. The way we try to work through that is just to say, we've all got to go through this as an exercise and experience, and it's the experience that makes us better. And in this forum, we're practicing. Take this as a learned practice. We practice on ourselves so we don't have to practice on our customers, or we don't have to practice on our teams when we go back to the business. And it's about honing those skills around questioning, responding, reacting in a real world business environment.
I reckon when Rob asked me about cold calling people and like the first session, I was like, oh, okay, I've been doing it really wrong. And he just called it out and it was good. I think I liked that. I needed to hear it.
I've probably always put myself into like a behind the scenes backseat sort of role in my mind. But through this and through talking to Rob and just doing like the leadership, the accountability chart, that sort of thing, I am a lot more of the driver than I realised. And I can talk to people and deal with people, and I should probably be doing more of that. Not in so much of a salesy role, but just in a driving the strategic plan of the business.
Yeah, I just think if you run a business and you're not that confident and you need a bit of guidance, it's certainly a good place to come and find your guidance and come out of it quite confident with a lot more confidence to move forward. I think the confidence even shows when you're out and about and you know what you're talking about and you know what's your margins behind you and what you can deliver for what cost. It probably shows to the customer and the client.